Hello folks, my name is Mark. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be having a look at this RV steps, some foldable aluminum RV steps from Amazon. About $35. And you know, so this is to replace my wooden box outside. Maybe it's just a little bit nicer than my wooden box. All right, there's empty. Oh, this is YAGUD. YAGUD brand. Seem to be well reviewed by other people, and a reasonable price. A very good price, if you ask me. Less than $40 for a, you know, this thing. Sure seems pretty sturdy. Welded aluminum. Yeah. Supposedly it holds 1,000 pounds. That'd be pretty impressive. Let's see if we can extend some legs here. All right, there's its maximum height. Let me see if I can measure that. All right, the maximum height is about 11 inches, 11 and a quarter. And let's go ahead and put it down a notch and we'll measure it again. All right, we got just about 10 and a half now. Nine and a half. Guess it goes down a little bit more. And we're at just about 9 inches. All right, well, I'm gonna be trying this out here in the yard, and you know, I imagine it's going to work great, but if I have any issues with it, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.